All right, so I'm gonna test this product called Rust-Oleum Wipe New. Now, Rust-Oleum has been around for a while, and I actually saw this on YouTube, and I said, why not? The kit costs $10. So if you can see what my headlights look like. It's a 2009 Honda Civic. I think this would be, the second time they've been restored. But what's in the box, you've probably seen this before, is the actual formula. You got a little sand piece of paper. It's 2 different grits, terry cloth, some gloves. This is you start off with the green side first, and then you do the gray side second. And get a spray bottle. I got this at Walmart for 88 cents. There's just regular water. And what you do is you're going to wet sand the headlights. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them first. And then I'll let you know. I'm going to put this on a tripod, so give me just a second here. All right, so it's on a tripod now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wet sand. I'm going to clean the headlights first. So let's do that. It doesn't say that in the instructions, but since I've been driving around all week, I just want to make sure they're clean. So just regular paper towels. There's some regular Windex. And they are dirty, so. And each step you gotta want to make sure that they're dry. So let's just go over it again. All right, and we'll do the other one. And they said the process is between like 12 to 15 minutes, so. I'm just going to clean these off. Make sure there's no dirt or debris on them. See, they are dirty, so it's a good thing that we're cleaning them. So it doesn't say to do that on the instructions, but you know, it's one less step. All right, so those are clean. And then what we're going to do is just going to dry them off. Actually, we can use this for later. We're just going to dry them off. Actually, there's no dirt. All right, so that's number 1. So number 2 is we get it's a little sponge, but it's got gritty sandpaper. We use the green side first. So I'm just gonna do some water here. I gotta take my glasses off, and I can't see. And we're just going to sand. And all that brown stuff is just old oxidation. So we just want to make sure. And this might be a full video, I don't know yet. But I might just stop it on this one so you can see. And then we'll do the other side. It's the same thing. It just repeats itself. I think I might have to lift the hood up. To get that one spot. Make sure you wet sand it again. This is called wet sanding. And then we dry it off with a terry cloth. That they supply you with. And they say that you spray, we've got a part 2 though, hold on, so. Let's do it again, just to be safe. Green side was the coarse side. Okay, set that up here. Wet it down again. Dry it off. You could fast forward if you want, but I'm not going to record the other side because it's the same exact thing. All right, so once we do that, let's dry it off again. Once we do that, we're going to use the other side, the fine side. To sand it down. I actually want to open up my hood. There's one little spot that I'm not getting, so hold on a second here. There's just one little section that I'm missing. Right up here in the corner. So let's get that section there. This is the gray side now. Try to sand in one direction. Don't be like up and down and backward and forward, and just, you know, I'm trying to stay vertical or horizontal. But you get the gist of it. All right, so I'm going to stop the video so I can finish this. All right, so we just finished the other side. I'm just drying it off, making sure that it's completely dry. All right, so they give you these gloves, right? I don't know why, but if they give them to you, we're going to use them. So I got pretty large, not really large hands, but these are pretty perfect. So I think this would be maybe a large or an extra large. if you have small hands, they wouldn't fit your hands. So if you have some gloves at the house or something, but you can see they fit pretty good. All right, so this is the wipe. Okay, it says the pouch contains less than 10 milligrams of liquid ingredient. Skin and eye irritation, wear chemical resistant gloves. That's why they give them to you. And when I'm reading the instructions, the chemical is good for 24 hours. So it's flammable. The world's strongest solution for restoration and protection, weather surfaces. All right, so we're gonna pull this out. We're gonna start with that lens first, because that's the one we did first. And we're gonna keep it in its form. And all we're gonna do, it's got a smell. All we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe in one swipe. And that's it. Just one swipe. You want to do two, you could probably do two. Okay? And we're going to do the other side. And then I'll put some pictures at the end of the video of what this looked like. So we're going to do one swipe. There is some stuff on here. We're just going to turn it over. It's like a little towelette. Gloves on. And all we're doing is we're swiping over. And we're going to swipe over. And then one more swipe. That's like 3 stages of swipes. And that's it. Looks pretty good. Let's do one just in case. Not too much pressure. It's a little run, but I think that'll be fine. Put this back in the bag. And I'm done. That probably took less than 30 minutes, depending on how much oxidation you have. Where are my glasses? I'm going to take this off the tripod so you can see what they look like. Take these off. And maybe just clean around the lens. This towelette, it's already kind of wet, so I stopped using it. We could probably clean around the lens here. It's just watered on here. But right now it looks pretty good. And it's supposed to set for at least, I think 24 hours not to get it wet. So it's about 3:30, 4 o'clock now. So tomorrow I think I'll be fine. Looks great. So let me zoom in. Let me take this off the tripod for a second. It's gonna wiggle. I want the true effect of what you're seeing here. Let me switch lenses. Hold on. All right. But you can see these are pretty good. So again, that's the Rust-Oleum Wipe New Headlight Restoration Kit. Everything you need in there is what you need to get that effect. And Walmart, I got it for 10 bucks. And it's a great little product. So I might post a video maybe about a year or so. Let's see what it looked like for a year from now. So thanks for watching.